Hello, dear students. Today we will start our first chapter of ninth Science Chemistry, that is matter in our surrounding. That is very important and interesting chapter which denotes most of the substance in our daily life. After studying this chapter, we will be able to describe various topics like first one introduction, second composition of matter, third matter is made up of particle, next properties of matter, diffusion, state of matter, rigid and fluid, interconversion of the state of matter, effect of change of temperature and pressure, latent heat, latent heat of vaporization and fusion, sublimation, evaporation, and last one effect is cooling effect. So, dear student, let's start with introduction of the chapter. In your daily life, you see a variety of substance in the surroundings like a pencil, a pen, a table, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the walls of our houses. Everything around is made up of matter. But what is matter? What is the definition of matter? What is the characteristics properties of matter? A lots of questions are in our mind. So in simple form, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass and can be felt with our five senses called as matter. Matter is used to cover all the substance and the materials from which universe is made called as matter. Composition of matter. In ancient time and various Indian philosophers state that matter is made up from five constituents or known as tattvas. Like first one air, that is called Vayu, earth, Prithvi, water, Jal, fire, Agni, sky, Akash, that is five tattvas or we can say elements. Modern scientists have classified the matter into two types. So before going to next topic, let's take a problem. In how many forms did the earlier Indian philosopher classify matter? बताइए. Yes, there are five. अभी किया है five forms. तो हाउ मेनी फॉर्म्स? फाइव फॉर्म्स. कौन कौन सी? एयर, अर्थ, वाटर, फायर, स्काई. इसको पांच तत्व में डिवाइड किया गया है. नाउ वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट, मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव डिफाइंड मैटर? लेट अस आस्क आवरसेल्फ द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज मैटर मेड अप ऑफ? So all matter consist of or made up of very small particles. All matter can be broken up in a similar manner to get very small particles. Hence, we now conclude that all matter is made up of small teeny particles. These particles may be of two types. First one is atom and second one is molecule. In previous classes, you have already discussed or studied about the atoms, molecule. So, let's take an illustration. Second, which of the following are matter? You have to classify, you have to pick out the matter. First, chair, air, love, smell, hate, almonds, thought, cold drink, smell of perfume. तो बताइए इसमें से कौन से मैटर हैं और कौन से मैटर नहीं हैं. चेयर, यस इट इज़ मैटर. इसको आप टच कर सकते हैं, इसको आप देख सकते हैं, इसको आप फील कर सकते हैं. ये स्पेस लेती है, इसका एक वॉल्यूम भी होता है. तो चेयर इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैटर. इज एयर? यस, एयर इज आल्सो. लव, नॉट. वाई इट इज़ सो? Because it is just emotions. So emotions are not matter. Smell is smell is matter or not? Yes, maybe. If the smells of perfume, if the smells from the kitchen, then it will be matter because there are small fragrance or small particles of vapors of particular substance. But in this case, just smell is not matter. It is just emotions or feeling. Hate is also emotion. Almonds, yes, matter. Thought, not matter. Cold, not matter. ठंडा होना, गर्म लगना, फील होते हैं, ये मैटर नहीं है. Cold drink, yes, matter. And smell of perfume, yes, some book says that smell of perfume is also a type of matter. So it depend on the particles. Smell of perfume, if there are perfume have a characteristics fragrance, then it is a type of matter. So don't be confused, every emotions are not a type of matter. Next is properties of matter. All matter consists of what? Teeny small particles called as matter. These particles have some common characteristics. These characteristics are laid down in a theory called kinetic theory of matter. Why it is called kinetic? What mean kinetic? Kinetic means motion. Kinetic means movement. तो particles movement करते हैं, motion में रहते हैं. So this theory indicate about the kinetic process, kinetic theory of matter. So first one, all matter comprises of small particles. Very basic points. All matter comprises of very teeny particles. Second, these particles have space in between them. दो पार्टिकल्स के बीच में स्पेस होता है, उनमें एक कैपेबिलिटी है, टेंडेंसी है कि उनके पास एक स्पेस होता है, किसी के पास ज़्यादा होता है, किसी के पास कम होता है. द पार्टिकल्स आर कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग, यस, जैसे कि काइनेटिक थ्योरी है तो हर एक पार्टिकल के पास अपनी कोई ना कोई एनर्जी होती है, तो हर एक पार्टिकल्स अपना मूविंग मोड में या मोशन में एग्जिस्ट करता है. The particles attract each other. Yes, very important property of particle. Okay, one particles can be attracted by another particles. Next, particles of matter have space between them. First important characteristics. Yes, matter is made up of small particles. The particles have space between them. These particles are invisible to naked eye. Dear student, you can't see the particles because particles are very small that cannot be seen by naked eye. But particles of other matter can get between these space without increasing in volume. As we have studied in previous points कि particles और particles के बीच में space होता है, तो एक दूसरे पार्टिकल्स आकर उस स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेक 1 स्पून सॉल्ट एंड डिजोल्ड इन 100 ml वाटर. सो द सॉल्ट पार्टिकल्स completely dissolved and can't be seen by you in the solution. So the particles of salt are adjusted between the particles of the water. This activity or this small demonstration shows that the particles have space between them. Particles of matter are continuous moving. Yes, particle is present in matter moving continuously. Yes. The particles of matter show 3 types of motion. कौन सी? First one, translatory motion, when particles move in straight line, changing direction without loss of energy on colliding with another particles or wall of the container is called as translatory motion. जो एक ही डायरेक्शन में हो, स्ट्रेट लाइन में हो। जैसे आप एक सड़क पे दौड़े जा रहे हैं, चले जा रहे हैं, सीधे चले जा रहे हैं, तो आपका वो मोशन होगा ट्रांसलेटरी मोशन। ट्रांसलेटरी मोशन इज मैक्सिमम इन गैसियस एंड द लिस्ट इन सॉलिड व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू लिक्विड। तो ऑब्वियसली सबसे ज़्यादा जो शरारती पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो होते हैं गैस के, क्योंकि गैस में इंटर पार्टिकल फोर्स जो है वो कम होता है, मिनिमम होता है, इसलिए गैस के पार्टिकल्स सबसे ज़्यादा मोशन रखते हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा मूवमेंट रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द rotational motion. When particles move around their own axis, the motion is called रोटेशनल मोशन। रोटेशनल जैसे आप एक पॉइंट पे खड़े होके अपने चारों ओर ही घूमने लग जाते हो तो वो रोटेशनल मोशन होता है। तो पार्टिकल्स रोटेशन मोशन भी कर सकता है। दिस मोशन इज सिमिलर टू द रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ अराउंड इट्स एक्सिस। रोटेशन मोशन विल बी हाई इन गैसेस and in liquid but not or negligible in case of solid. Next is the vibrational motion. When particles have to and fro motion about a mean position, the motion is called vibrational motion. This motion is maximum in solid as the particles are held in a rigid structure. जब आप स्कूल में होते हैं, क्लास में होते हैं, तो आप जब तक बेल नहीं होती बाहर नहीं जा सकते। आप अपनी ही पोजीशंस पे इधर उधर थोड़ी बहुत मूवमेंट कर देते हैं, करते रहते हैं। दैट मोशन इज़ कॉल्ड वाइब्रेशनल मोशन। अपनी ही पोजीशन पे अप एंड डाउन होना, अप एंड डाउन अपनी पोजीशन पे होना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वाइब्रेशनल मोशन। ये किस केस में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है? सॉलिड के केस में, क्योंकि सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स अपनी पोजीशन को एस्केप नहीं कर सकते, वहाँ से नहीं जा सकते, इसलिए वाइब्रेशनल मोशन सबसे ज़्यादा सॉलिड के केस में होता है। और नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स प्रॉपर्टीज, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर। यस, द फोर्स विद विच दे अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम मैटर टू मैटर। इन सम काइंड्स ऑफ मैटर, waste paper like matchstick, the force is small as we can tear or break them easily. आप पेपर को ईजिली फाड़ सकते हैं, इसलिए वहाँ के केस में ये जो फोर्स होता है ये बहुत कम होता है। बट इन अदर काइंड्स ऑफ मैटर लाइक आयरन नेल, you can't tear the iron nail. The force is large as we can't break the nails easily. So, the force of attraction between particles occurs in case of solid highest, liquid minimum, intermediate, and in case of gases minimum. The particles of matter also have one of the important characteristics property, that is they can attract each other. So let's take an illustration 3. What happens to the sugar when dissolved in water? Where does the sugar go? What information do you get about the nature of matter from the dissolution of sugar in water? जब आप शुगर को डिजोल्व करते हैं वाटर में, तो जो शुगर के पार्टिकल्स हैं वो कहाँ चले जाते हैं? क्या सोचा है आपने कभी वो कहाँ गायब हो जाते हैं? Let's see solution. When sugar dissolved in water, its tiny particles break off from the solid sugar crystals, and the sugar particles go into the space between the particles of water and mix with them to form sugar solution. The dissolution of sugar in water tells us that the matter like sugar and water is made up of small particles. In case of sugar, the particles distance are minimum because one particles are closely attached with another particles, so exist in solid state. But in case of liquid, or we can say water, there is a space between one particles and another particles, and the particles of sugar goes inserted or occupy the space between the water particles. So this is based on the problem that particles have space between them. Okay, dear students, read the NCERT first three pages, which we already discussed, and in next lecture we will study about the important process, that is diffusion.